Artistro sent me their acrylic dual tip markers. Now, I have used some of their other markers in the past, but I have not tried their acrylic markers. So it says that you can use these on glass, wood, paper, rocks, and my granddaughter and I love to paint rocks. There's a brush tip and also a dot tip. So let's see how they do. Okay, well, this one is my absolute favorite color already. So let's see. This one is the rounded tip. Oh yeah, and this is just on paper. I'm just doodling. Oh, and that's the brush tip. I love brush tip pens. Yeah, these have a really nice quality to them. They go on very smoothly. One thing I see right away is if you're going to color something in, you do not see the brush strokes. Make sure you can see that. Look at that. You do not see any brush strokes. That is beautiful. I love that. I am going to love these for painting rocks. Let's see. Oh, let's try the silver and the gold. Silver and gold. Oh, I should try the white too. Oh yeah, the gold is very pretty. I'm just doodling. The gold is beautiful. And I did not have to shake these up or anything. Like, they are right out of the package. Beautiful. Oh, that silver is beautiful. These are a very nice set. This one is a set of 12. They did have bigger sets as well, but I like these. I cannot wait to work on a project with these. You get all the basic colors, so I love that.